Hi kids, I hope all of you are doing good. It's been a long time seeing you, right? I miss you all so much. I miss you all so much. I hope there is something exciting waiting for you. You know what it is? Think, what is it? Think. I guess you have a beautiful worship waiting for you, beautiful stories waiting for you. And are you all ready for that? Are you all ready? I am ready, Pa. I will do it. I am ready for that. I kindly request, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you sure? Yeah, I kindly request you to please put on your phones, come with us and dance with us. See you kids. Bye.
I was made for this. I live for this. God has a reason for my life. I'm gonna shout it out without a doubt. I was born for this, built for a purpose. There is a God who made it all, everything we see. He built the mountains, filled the oceans, and He built me. He is with me, He is for me. I am not alone. He is with me, He is for me, and I know that I was made for this. I live for this. God has a reason for my life. I'm gonna shout it out without a doubt. I was born for this, built for a purpose.
குறை சொல்ல மாட்டேன் அட குத்தம் சொல்ல மாட்டேன் மத்தவங்க தலையில கொட்ட மாட்டோம் ப்ரோ நான் மட்டும் ரைட்டு மத்தவங்க தப்பு நியாயந்திற்கு ஒழியத்தை செய்ய மாட்டேன் ப்ரோ குறை சொல்ல மாட்டேன் குத்தம் சொல்ல மாட்டேன் மத்தவங்க தலையில கொட்ட மாட்டேன் ப்ரோ நான் மட்டும் ரைட்டு மத்தவங்க தப்பு நியாயந்திற்கு ஒழியத்தை செய்ய மாட்டேன் ப்ரோ கீழே விழுந்தா தூக்குவம் ப்ரோ இயேசுவின் புழியத்தை செய்வேன் ப்ரோ கீழே விழுந்தா தூக்குவம் ப்ரோ இயேசுவின் புழியத்தை செய்வேன் ப்ரோ நாங்க வேற மாதிரி நாங்க வேற மாதிரி ப்ரோ நாங்க வேற மாதிரி ப்ரோ நாங்க வேற மாதிரி ப்ரோ நாங்க இயேசு மாதிரி ப்ரோ
Hi kids, I am so excited to see you again this week. It's been so long since we met. We met last Sunday and again we are meeting today. Today, you know what? I got something very special for you all. I'm going to tell you a story. So this story is written in John chapter 8 verse 1 to verse 11. Okay? So there's a woman who's caught doing something very bad, very naughty. And then all of the people gather around and they say, we are going to stone her and we are going to hurt her, we are going to kill her. But you know who comes? Like a hero who enters? Our Jesus. Jesus Papa enters and he says, he does something there that's kind of weird. So he looks at everyone and he says, whoever of you has never done anything wrong, you can cast the first stone. And then he bends down and he starts writing something on the ground. And then after some time, when he looks up, nobody is there. Everybody is gone. So there's no one who's not done anything wrong. Interesting. So this woman looks at him and she says, everyone has left. No one cast a stone at me. So Jesus tells her, it's okay. I forgive you. Go and sin no more. Interesting story where Jesus sits on the ground and he's writing something. So I saw that, no, and I went to my pencil pouch and I went and I opened the pencil pouch to take my pens out. Something I saw in my pencil pouch. You know what I saw? I will show you 1 second. You know what this is? Yeah, all of you all have it. I'm sure you would have thrown it at your sisters, at your friends in class. No, it's your eraser. You know what? From that story in John chapter 8, I learned that we should do something like an eraser. What is that? Do you know what Jesus said? Jesus said that if there's any of you who has not sinned, let him cast the first stone. You know, by saying that, Jesus erased the sin of the woman, right? Everyone started thinking, oh my God, I've also done wrong. I also stole my brother's food. I also stole my sister's dupatta yesterday. I went out without telling my mom. Everyone has sinned. I cannot throw this stone. Yo. Everybody walked off. What did Jesus do? He erased her sin. But you know, at the end, Jesus says something to her as well. He says, go and sin no more. You know what that means? It means he's writing something new. Just like a pencil, no? With the pencil, first you erase everything that's wrong. And then with a pencil, you will write something new, beautiful, big story. Just like that. Jesus, that day, he wrote something new for the woman. You know what this story tells me? This story teaches me what gentleness is like, right? Gentleness is like erasing someone's mistakes and teaching them how to be better. Yeah? So, today Yamini Akka will tell you the memory verse for the story, but always remember, which fruit of the Spirit are we doing today? Gentleness da. ஏற்கனவே சொல்லிட்டேனே. So, we are going to show that we are gentle by erasing our friends' sins, but we are also going to teach them to be better and to write a new story in their lives. We're going to do that? Okay, bye kids. See you next time. Bye.
ஹாய் ஆல், எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கிறீங்க? எல்லாரும் சூப்பராக இருக்கிறீங்களா? உங்களோட டே எப்படி இருந்துச்சு? உங்களோட வீக் எப்படி இருந்துச்சு? எல்லாரும் சூப்பர் இல்லை? எல்லாமே சூப்பராக இருந்துச்சுல்ல? ஸோ நீங்கள் அது யாருக்கு தேங்க் பண்ணணும்? ஏசப்பாக்கு தானே? யாருக்கு தேங்க் பண்ணணும்? ஏசப்பாக்கு. ஏசப்பாக்கு ஒரு ஜோராக கிளாப் பண்ணலாமா? கேன் வி கிவ் our daddy a big clap? Super. Okay, now Akka taught us something இல்லையா about eraser and pencil. What did Akka taught us about eraser? We should erase our friend's mistake. Okay? And from pencil, what did Akka tell? We should correct them in a right way so that their life will be a more big and so beautifully it will be created by God. So you should bless your friends and telling them this example of pencil and eraser. Okay? Okay. அக்கா இது எந்த வேர்ஸில் எங்களுக்கு டீச் பண்ணாங்க? நான் மறந்துட்டேனே. ஜான், யாருன்னா ஜான்னு சொன்னீங்களா? ஜான் கரெக்டா? கரெக்ட். John chapter 8 verse 1 to 12. We learned about fruit of the spirit. We learned about gentleness. நான் சொல்லிட்டு நீங்கள் ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுறீங்களா? Colossians chapter 3 verse 12. Therefore, as God's chosen people, holy and dearly loved, clothe yourself with compassion, gentleness, kindness, humanity and patience. இப்போ நாங்கள் ஏசப்பா கிட்ட ப்ரேயர் பண்ணலாமா? We all will pray to God that let our hearts be in gentleness with our friends, family and whoever we meet. சரி, நாங்கள் இப்போ ப்ரேயர் பண்ணலாமா? எல்லாரும் கண் மூடலாமா? Close your eyes. Most heavenly gracious of Father, thank you so much for this wonderful Sunday, oh Father. I surrender each and everything into your hands, oh Father. You guide our hearts, oh Father. Let you take complete control of our life, oh Father Master. எஸ் ஓ ஃபாதர், எங்களோட ஹார்ட் ஒரு ஜென்டில்னஸ்ஸாக இருக்கட்டும் ஏசப்பா. நாங்கள் யார் கூடலாம் போய் மீட் பண்ணுறோமோ அவங்க கூட கைண்டாக பிஹேவ் பண்ணணும், சாஃப்டாக இருக்கணும் ஏசப்பா. யூ டேக் கம்ப்ளீட் கண்ட்ரோல் ஆஃப் ஃபாதர் மாஸ்டர். As your word, as your fruit of the Spirit say, gentleness of Father, let us go according to that of Father. In your name alone I pray. Amen.
I'm a champion in this world. Nothing can stand against me now. I am a champion in this world. Your power lives in me. I am a champion in this world. Nothing can stand against me now. I am a champion in this world. Your power lives in me. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Your power lives in me. Oh, 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 oh. Your power lives in me.